Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and today's video we are going to see how to create, edit and convert PDF editor using Wondershare. This is one of the new platform which I have discovered recently and I felt to share with you. So let's go and check it out how it works. So type in your internet browser Wondershare and this is the first official link. Click. So this is the homepage of Wondershare. It provides the different facilities and utilities as you can see. But today in this video we are going to see about PDF solutions. So let's go and click it out. There are different versions that you can do using this Wondershare. You can merge PDF, PDF convert, PDF templates. But here we are going to see how we can edit a PDF. So let's go and click here. So this is the one. You can download it for free and you can just sign in. So let's go and free download. So let's go ahead. As I'm on Mac, it will take me to the respective folder. Just say agree. So it started. It has very amazing user graphics. Just see the color combination. It's nice. So depending on your internet speed, it will take time. For me, it's just a couple of seconds. So let's go ahead and see what we have to do. So it is this. So once it is download, open it. Now here we will convert a PDF. You can do, there are so many features: compress, OCR, convert, compare and batch. So let's do convert PDF, or could be another thing. Let's open, so we will try to edit something. So this is my PDF document, right? So let's go and check it out. If I want to insert some text, just click on that. So it mentions double click to keep adding continuously. So you have to select which one you have to modify, right? There we go. And that is done. Simple. Just make it to align left, align center. So whatever you wish, you can do it. Just say save. We will replace it simply to avoid confusion. And let's go to documents and see how it looks like. Yeah, as you can see, this is our main PDF. Here it is appearing with the watermark, but that's fine. You can edit any PDF accordingly. So thanks for watching. That's all for PDF editing for today. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.